Yeah, this has been getting hot a few times, and what it is the thermostat is sticking. So what ends up happening is the coolant on the top hose gets pretty hot, and then the coolant on the lower hose is cold. So then on the gauge it shows hot, and it could cause problems. You can bolt off of here, and I think that should lift off of there. Looks like we got to take that upper hose loose. So let's get a screwdriver to take that off of there. All right, let's get this hose off of here. I like to run a screwdriver inside of it to free it up first. Then usually when you do that, it slides off like that. Okay, let's get this thermostat in here. Looks like it's the right one, so we'll get this back together and we'll see how it does after this thermostat is in. Still got a gasket on it. So just so you know, you saw that I put the spring down. The spring goes towards where the coolant gets hot first, and then that activates the spring so that oh, actually I'm wrong there. It activates like a wax that's inside the thermostat that allows the spring to open the thermostat. All right, let's tighten that up. We'll tighten this with a screwdriver. Okay, that's tight. Now we need to start it and see if we get any leaks, and then see if it warms up properly and see if it doesn't overheat. So let's do that. Okay, let's put some coolant in here. Okay, now we want to run it until the thermostat opens and then recheck the level. So So let's start this thing up and we'll see what happens here. I think we can add some more right now before it even completely warms up. Not much. Okay, we'll wait till the thermostat opens. I'll show you guys how you know the thermostat is open. Top it off and see how much it takes. It'll take a minute. Okay, full. It's full, so that looks good. We'll have to check it again in the near future to make sure it's not leaking anywhere. Looks good. So that should work out good. These diesels, they like to run cold, so if you don't have a thermostat in them, they never really get up to operating temperature. So the idea is you want to keep a good thermostat in there. As long as it opens properly, everything should work good. Okay, so this is the end of this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.